Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free items on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get free item, I recommend you to join this Halloween Spotlight event, which is happening on Roblox. You can join this event. Just click on join. Okay, wait guys, it's still loading. How the event looks like, and I have already gotten this compass, and when it says you have won a badge, it means that you have already owned this item and you can check it in your inventory. Okay, and then I'm just going to follow the compass. Oops, it's not here. You can follow the compass and then you're going to play one of the games here. And you can complete the mission to get free items. Okay, for example, 99 nights in the forest game. You can click on inspect, and these are the missions that you need to complete. You need to successfully trick or treat at one house in the haunted forest. Okay, and you can go to the game. Then you can earn reward after you complete the mission. Okay, just play the games if you want to earn more free items. And then guys, I'm going to close this event, and then I'm going to show you how you can apply your free item. So you can go to the inventory right here and wait. Okay, and this is my inventory guys, and I'm going to go to the accessories. And I'm going to go to the bag accessory, and this is the compass I got from the Halloween Spotlight event, the Squabbering Compass. Okay guys, and that's how we can get free items on Roblox by joining the Halloween Spotlight event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!